If you live within 150 miles of the ocean and you're considering investing in whole house solar, then this is the video for you. So no matter where you live, solar power offers many advantages, but for coastal residents, there are some unique challenges and considerations that you need to be aware of. As you probably already know, coastal environments have one specific factor that can wreak havoc on just about everything that lives outside. It's that salty sea air we all know and love. Unfortunately, solar panels aren't immune to having problems just like other devices, and salt water can affect the performance and, more importantly, the lifespan of most solar panels. Now, while sea salt gives the beach its characteristic scent, it can settle in on your solar panels and build up over time. This can potentially decrease the efficiency of your panels, and over a long period, it may affect the overall durability of your solar installation. But here's the upside. Regular cleaning can significantly mitigate the impact of salt on your panels and your entire system, so this is more of a point that you should be aware of instead of a deal breaker. However, the long-term impact of sea salt exposure on your solar panels brings us to a critical component of your solar power decision process, the warranty. Many people are unaware that there are a lot of warranties that exclude damage caused by common environmental factors, things like vibration due to wind, for example, which can technically affect anyone anywhere. But for you, if you live close to the ocean, you have to be aware of what I call the coastal clause. Look, I get it. Warranty details are boring documents to read. And when it comes to solar, though, it is one of those things that you have to become familiar with. Buying solar isn't like buying a new car where you can trade it in every few years. With solar, you can expect it to last 25, 30, or even 40 years or longer before it needs to be replaced. So the impact of a subpar warranty can have a severe financial impact on you and your home if you're not careful. It's important to understand that solar panel warranties typically cover two main areas: performance and product. So the performance warranty guarantees that your panels will operate at a certain level of their rated efficiency for a specified period of time, which is usually 25 years. Now, the product warranty, on the other hand, covers defects in manufacturing and materials. This is like your standard warranty that you're used to seeing on pretty much everything. The product warranty can cover the same period of time as the performance warranty, or it could be as few as 10 years worth of coverage. So if you don't know what the warranty coverage period is, or even what's available on the market before you sign on the dotted line, that can create a major headache for you down the road. And if that wasn't important enough, the warranty is where people who live along the coast need to pay extra attention. Some warranties may not cover damages caused by environmental factors like saltwater exposure. This means if your solar panels suffer from accelerated wear and tear or corrosion due to the salty sea air, you might be on the hook for the whole cost of replacing whatever components fail. This makes it vital for you as a potential solar power owner in a coastal region to read and understand the details of your solar panel warranty. Ask your provider about this specifically, and ask to see a copy of their warranty exclusions list. Don't be afraid to ask questions until you fully understand what you're covered for, and most importantly, what you're not covered for. So while saltwater exposure is a phrase that you'll often find hidden in the exclusion section of many solar panel warranties, what does it mean exactly? Well, typically saltwater exposure refers to damage caused by the corrosive effects of salt present in the air. This could be from sea spray or even just the regular concentration of salt in the air. Now, normally you'd expect this in areas like Florida and California, but the reality is that saltwater exposure can happen in places you wouldn't expect. And if you think 150 miles is overkill, I actually thought that was a little bit of a stretch too, so I did some research and I found a study that not only showed 150 miles is within reason. This study showed that you can find saltwater exposure up to 900 miles away from a coastline. They found it in Colorado, of all places. So while 150 miles might sound a little far-fetched, it really isn't. You need to seriously consider this as a possible reason why a manufacturer may deny a warranty claim if you have problems. Understanding the coastal clause in your warranty and its implications, I believe, is crucial for all potential solar owners. It's about more than just understanding your coverage, it's about securing your investment and ensuring your peace of mind. Now, we've covered the challenges and the complexities that coastal living and specifically saltwater present to solar systems. So what should you look for in order to ensure that you're selecting the right solar solution for your home? First, when shopping for solar panels, look for ones that have demonstrated resilience to saltwater exposure. Panels that feature anti-corrosive properties or special coatings can help resist the effects of salt and humidity in the air. And don't forget to check their certifications. Panels tested and certified for salt mist corrosion can be a good choice for coastal areas as well. Next, the warranty. While it's true that many solar warranties have exclusions for saltwater exposure, it's not impossible to find a company that will honor a warranty even though it has exposure to saltwater. Just make sure your company of choice has this clearly spelled out in the warranty itself. Now, I also did some digging and I looked into a few of the top solar choices on the market today, including Panasonic and Tesla. Both of these companies, while very popular, unfortunately state that their warranty is generally void from saltwater exposure. At least that's the case at the time of this video recording, and who knows, that might change by the time you watch this video. So it would be good for you to check and verify that that still is the case. But with that said, there is one company I know of that doesn't have an exclusion on the warranty for saltwater exposure, and that company is SunPower. SunPower is a premium choice in the solar industry, and their solutions tend to stand alone. That's one of the reasons why I've partnered with them, and in fact, they are the only US-based solar company that's been around longer than their warranty period, which really says a lot. So if you haven't considered SunPower up to this point, or if you simply just haven't gotten a quote from them, I'll have a link in the description below that you can use to go to their website and get an online solar savings estimate for your home. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and be sure to watch this other video next. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.